I'll show you the secret to making the most delicious stir-fried chicken that will be ready in just a few minutes. Have it as a snack or with some fried rice. I will leave the link for the egg fried rice. And yes, it's going to be a delicious stir-fried chicken with snow peas and carrots. This recipe is simple and easy to make in just a few minutes. So let's start by prepping with some snow peas, some sliced carrots. We're going to use some chopped ginger and garlic. And yes, we're going to use chicken breast out here, which is going to be sliced into thin strips. First, heat some oil in a pan and add the minced garlic and ginger for a very flavorful base. Let's saute this for a couple of minutes. And then we add the bite-sized chicken pieces or the chicken strips and cook until they're browned and cooked through completely. Now toss in some fresh snow peas and thinly sliced carrots for a pop of color and crunch and saute it for another couple of minutes. Add some salt to taste, some white pepper, some soya sauce, drizzle with some soya sauce according to taste, and some hot sauce for that perfect balance of savory and spicy flavors. Stir everything together until the vegetables are tender, crisp, and the chicken is coated in the delicious sauce. Serve your stir fry chicken hot over a bed of steamed rice or noodles for a complete and satisfying meal. The stir fry chicken with snow peas and carrots is a great go to recipe for busy weeknights when you want something quick and tasty. Hey guys, thanks for watching. This is Shirley signing off from Shirl's Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy, quick, and delicious recipes.